Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add SoFi card to Apple Pay. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now first thing you need to do here is you need to access the Apple Wallet app and tap on the plus sign located in the upper right corner. Now from the options presented, choose either debit or credit card. Align your physical card with the frame for scanning or opt for to manual input card details by selecting enter card details manually at the screen's bottom. Now provide the necessary card details including the name of the card, card number, expiration date, and the security code or CVV, and from there click next to proceed. Now to review the terms and conditions before clicking agree, and select your preferred verification method for the card. So either through the text or email and click next. Enter the verification code received via SMS or email and optionally enter a signature for the card and save it. Now upon successful completion these steps, the card will be added to your Apple Pay. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.